sitting over here tonight, preparing our beauty from the schools of Wumi Toriola, Latifa. So please, let's come in. Let's come in. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Hey, kill me, kill us up. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and listen. Everybody that needs to see what. 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 You said President General.
If you're happy with Wumi Toriola, make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. If you're excited for her, make some noise. If you can't wait to see the movie, make some noise. All the superstars in the building, thank you so much for coming out tonight. We're here to celebrate with our sister, our friend, very stubborn. Am I right? Okay, I'm going to pass the microphone, and one person will say one thing about Wumi. Brother Shaggy, I see you. So, you say one thing about Wumi. Are you ready? Say one thing. She's hardworking. Say something about Wumi. She's amazing. Okay, let me go to me herself and ask her to say something about herself. Sorry. Make way. Wumi, say something about yourself.
I'm just me.
Rochelle, uncle, don't lie. Say something about her.
Me too,
come. Baba Bekuta. Bye. And say something about Wumi.
Bàbá òṣogbo wa.
Say something about Wumi.
About Wumi. Mad woman. Crazy woman. Wahala woman. Ìjọ̀gbọ̀n woman. Ẹnu ló ní wọn lọ́wọ́. Ó bá débi ìjà á sá lọ.
Ìrọ̀lẹ́ pa èèyàn tó jókòó tí yóò sọ̀rọ̀ látàárọ̀ yìí. Wumi is the simplest, she's the most caring, she's soft-spoken, kò lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ̀tàn bó ṣe wà yẹn. Why are you shaking your head? Kò lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹnu ẹ̀tàn bó ṣe wà yẹn. Wumi does not like fights. Anything that is hard, she avoids it. Am I right or right? But ladies and gentlemen, even in the government, you know, like talk about for hour. But tonight, we're here to celebrate our doggedness. We're here to celebrate our strength of character. Tonight, we're here to celebrate the new billion-dollar movie. Is it doable? Hello? So what we need you to do tonight is, as we're here, you become an ambassador. What we need you to do is take out your phone and start telling people on social media that you're the premiere of Queen Latifah. I'm going to call Wumi to say something. After she says one or two things, she'll say one or two things. Then would allow Shego play for a few minutes. She'll come back and we'll start the premiere. So ladies and gentlemen, you've heard a lot of things said about her tonight. She's hardworking, she's dependable, she's tenacious, she never says never, she never says die. I present to you the amazing Wumi Toriola. Let's make some noise for her.
You cannot come to my party and not hype me. It's my day. You can't be hype me for a moment. I am so excited. I really want to say thank you to God Almighty, who made this day possible. And I want to say a big thank you to my team. And I will not say anything except my partner for this business, Mr. Adekola for Queen Latifah, except he comes up here. We are the celebrants. It's Wumi Toriola and Opeajai. Please kindly give him a round of applause. Kindly give him a round of applause. Thank you so much. I want to use this video to thank everybody here. We are just starting, okay? I know you've been here for a while, and this is the time they brought me in. Left to me, I would have wanted to call me earlier than you imagined. And to the cast and the crew of Queen Latifah, please, this is our work. Can you come on board? Can you come on board? I want to say thank you. Am I giving a vote of thanks or what am I saying? I'm just welcoming you. Thank you so much for everyone who came far and near. I want to appreciate you. My brother, Sam Toriola and Kayla Toriola, all the way from the United States of America. My friend, Odunlade Adekola. A lot of people are here. My colleagues, Brother Femi. I don't know. I don't want to mention names. You people are amazing. My film colleagues, my movie people, please give yourselves a round of applause. You are supporting, and I like the fact that we are carrying the banner high. Irrespective of who is looking at us, we keep doing it. Irrespective of who is supporting, we keep doing it. I say thank you so much. I am grateful and indebted to you all. And to my cast member, Kule Remi. Oh my God, where is Kule?